Zawa will like it. Oh, Zawa. My husband will love.
Then get it.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a ladies out day. What is it?
Yep.
Với chú ấy mấy thâu cần chuộc đó nè. Ashley le kan nu le kay ma kam pathumin kam bazaar do ni. I'm not sure we will be fitting or not. Like last time inside the car. Car I hand kan ling lo ho le mấy thấy ni mo. Why thap ya hoàng oh my god, your car. Okay, we'll be back. We're gonna pick up Ashley now. So Ashley can vật xoay lúc nghe oh. Mom, it looks like it's shaking, but because of this one, it will shake. That's why I like it. Yeah.
Oh, here's one of the trucks too.
Yeah, hey, ang truck yan in ka kan sofa pay. Demo kang song karon na vek ni too. Like our sofa and stuff.
Citywide pickup.
Yeah, I got new pimples. Oh my god. Going to meet here. How chuak ve la kan tia. Ashley le kan nu ne ngam pathuming car khata kan chuak no na mo nom dong pa me kam bazaar ngai chem chak kum tol to. Ni te car ni hi an in yan in hi ti lang him phal lawa mo YouTube pa da tor te ni sia. For into kor lang thei ve ka ha khwalum vel to ma se korban to hi a ko ka ha ki ka war to pen chu kan nu in chunga va lu lo ga lu chung thi ka lo sei lo ni enge cái chú cái ngày về đàn cho nên nisa kal thì han in korban bol do hak kai cho nên dum te du lo cho nên korban kan hak zen na ma se hei tia ang puan hi the em ma lum lo ni chu mo cho an noi khan leggings ti hak le me tu ni chu shem ka du ve to ni chu hi ma ka nen hai rei to pa mo kha kan shopping mo kan na thin yam pui kami Walmart kan tia ka le kha ne ma na kum thum kal ta khan ka du ve to ka thau lai ka cher lai bang ka to fe ka mo a thakop me cho nên với in cắm bazaar te ka lo hu cheu nga cho nên ka pimple si chu lo hu lo sha ma la hi nge chan po se lo cho nên mai ven chu kamit te ka chei via ma se sunscreen check in no ya chong blusher le mun ken la ka chang top ni cho la zo po wow lo dai sham cho nên kan kal na chang te ka lo hu cheu nga nom dong kan va mang ka beisei ya cái mù lệ try đó nha cái mù lệ try đó là tiếng đâu mù lệ try đó nha.
They need to close your blinds too. It'll keep your air from kicking on all the time. Man, look at those peaches.
Who's that beautiful girl in the back, Mom? Do you know her? Why she just get in our car?
Look at all those peaches.
I know. Ashley said I need to park again more. Who is hiding? Look, I cannot see now. I know she'll start hiding again. Ashley.
She's hiding from you. An old man butt.
He wants it to have a basket, but not a girl basket.
Yeah. A man bear. He needs a mountain bike.
Yeah. My grandma has a tricycle, like the Amish have.
They're
The
nice.
back of it with the bike.
Basket. Oh no, that's not cool. Not wet.
And you can send them to get groceries.
Beans, kanina bekang beans mo na soya bean.
Yep.
So beautiful. Look at that. I just love it.
It's green. It's so
Yeah.
green. All the rain.
Hey, Uncle Mecca, we are on our way, so we almost reach. Look at that, my horrible pimples. Okay, we are on our way.
Turn that sign around again. That arrow, they keep turning the arrow backwards.
Who think Nana is the best driver? Comment down below, okay?
Hey, that's not fair. That's not fair. Everybody knows that I'm an okay driver. Just okay. I
Oh,
never climb other
but I
ones.
think your kids think Nana is a good driver.
Let me put it this way. I've never had a ticket. I've never had an accident.
Except
And
Daddy.
I'm 57 years old.
I usually get out of my tickets just fine.
What are you drinking? A cold coffee?
Iced coffee.
Oh. I'm on diet, so I don't drink.
What'd you say?
She's on a diet.
Sis, I'm
So she don't
on a
drink.
diet. I'm gonna cut my hair short. I wanna look sassy again, and then I wanna look sexy on my wedding photo shoot.
Well, everybody's on a diet. That just means that you're eating calories.
Yeah, I'm eating all the calories here.
She's on
And
a
I'm eating the
seafood diet.
calories I like.
I'm a fish, catfish.
See, and it snapped on me.
Cosmoprofit. I'm holding. Why nobody's here?
Have patience,
So-
honey. Have patience.
I'm following mom. What is this store? I forgot. Here. What is this store? Hey. What's
Cosmoprofit.
this? Cosmopro. Oh, Kanu Bazaar na niya. Samville. Oh, this is cute. I don't know, something like this don't take my eyes. Hey, nail till member ni zau ka bazar the. If you're a member, then only you can shop here. Acrylic dinate, but kanu hilay ha member. Tamo kan. My mother is a member for this store, so we can buy anything we want
That's my
from
favorite.
here.
We might still have it. We might just be out of stock,
Okay.
but I'm not for sure.
Mom, you buying gel polish?
Yeah.
Look at Nana trolley, so cute. Oh, this is the one you got?
I'm
Yeah.
gonna try it. They don't have mine.
Cheese, not bad. What color? Let's check it out.
Yeah, we do have
Yep,
it.
that's
but we
what
just
I
don't
want.
have it in stock right now. Sorry.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, see, beautiful hair.
Yeah, she does.
Looks good. Did they show the price? Like
Yeah, the price.
$7. Mom, is it more cheaper than anywhere or? Oh.
You
Right.
can't get it anywhere else. Well, you can,
Really?
but
No, I mean comparing to other gel police in another store.
put those in there. And then I need this.
Do you know we cannot open?
The color
You
is
already
this
know?
one. Do you like that one?
Huh?
Do you like that color?
Where is that? It's normal.
It's the one in there. You just
Oh.
put it in there.
Okay.
I can't do any of the clear yet because my nails are so messed up.
I know you can't. Yeah, because I
But
always have like something very natural,
yeah,
like you had last time.
nah. Pro Bond. I don't know what the Pro Bond is.
At
I don't-
don't.
I'm not seeing the clear, the top or the base coat. So they may be out of it. Yeah, here's the foundation and the base. They're out of everything. Well, maybe I'll
Hey,
change.
this one is Topitos.
Yeah, but that's a matte. It's not shiny. So maybe I'll go with C and D and not do these this time because they don't have the top coats. And I need it's got to be the same.
Let me take video so I can ask my husband if he like it. Ashley, where can I see the price? In the bag? $24. Like I think if you have a braid, you put down, or it's just for braid, or you can use for anything.
Use it for whatever. You just put it in your hair.
Let me ask mom. Hey, nalbe ko may photoshoot kanina yung bang kati daw naga $24 niya. Pues sa tingin na hi 72 niya dollar. This is nice. But I don't like red. That's a problem too.
These are mine. These two. That's funny because they weren't by each other and now they are. Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
After I've done my hair.
Which one I'll buy? Door hi lian ve khop me hi tia ang door top hin chumo in wang kan kal kwal veni za zak chung chung
You're fine.
coming kan lei ta a kan lei ti chu kan ti long ker lawanga kan bazar zo chia hi tuna dor
Don't
tanga
worry about it.
kan kal le don mo chuanin kan lei bel le don ni chu thil dang kan lo ti lang se lum nia
Go ahead. Go, babe.
Look me. Nana walk so fast. Oh, Nana walk so fast.
Yeah, that's why your patience gonna
Like,
die. She's
yeah, I know.
toast.
Like, I'm always the last one.
No,
Look.
seriously. What? There was one day where I had a CNA and I told her this. She's like, what do I do if my patient doesn't have a pulse? She walked all the way to me telling me this. I'm like, which patient? And she's like, room 211. And I don't walk, I run.
Look how she walk. People were like, how old is your mother? She walks so fast. Eh, mola I bath and body yak ang kalok don thil kan kalok don at chan chumi zo second hand thin ka kan ti ang ka phone camera stand ka loking lawa chan chu ken reng hi ne om ni chu ka so lo chan arit siam hong lo che daw ni po kha in lu tha lo hein chan lo lok bor ro oh. If you are dizzy by the way I hold my camera, if you feel like vomiting, please vomit. It's okay. No. Like, two candle buy two and get free. Hey, mall ve pa ngai ang khan ta mall. Listen. Bath and body. Two for 20, 6 for 27. What's the difference? $3? Buy 4 for 20, 6 for 27.
I'm not listening to you, just so you know.
Shut up. Shut up. Hey, hen was the Belnia, Johnny. Hen was the Shang Shang, Chante give back to Kani shower gel, well, more hey to bath and body, and even Kani. Till Reka, me till gift or the hat shut up and so. Shang Shang Khan, I say, Kangay na baklo kay Ma Johnny. Kay Johnny, him a rose, yeah. No, oh, matiang Japanese blossom, they welcome hang shower gel, present ka don vang may main mo. Hey, kamanan niya yung buwan ng kanuin, hey, kamaw po yun, hey, kapitan yung preso na. Hey, Pathum Lane, Patni free, to buy 3 and get 2 free. Idudu Pathum kay Tlanga Jonin, hman za kay penadang Patni to free. Oh, John body cream, devil to ma. Rim to yung to po nito.
Your aunt got me.
I think you got rose.
I had wishes.
Is it this Japanese blossom? I think it's Japanese blossom.
Nope.
I thought this one cherry blossom,
It was like this color, but with gold sparkles.
gold sparkle. This one. Yeah. You like it? Is it good? Show me, show me. Like it? She loved that one. Show them. Atoy lutok. Say atoy lutok. I am fooling you.
What is it?
Yeah.
Wait, that means bad, doesn't
Very
it?
yummy.
Oh yeah, because it's so long. I was
Yeah.
like, why is it so long?
I mean, remember yesterday your kids learned new words how to say atoy lutok. They were like, try me, then trying it. They were like, the whole video Evie is playing around with me. Atoy lutok.
I don't want to sparkle. I just want to smell
Oh my
delicious.
god, this smells so good. Here, here, here. Into the night. Oh, halal zawa.
Did you smell this one?
What? No, not for me. It tastes like chocolate.
No, it doesn't.
But this is really good. They say buy any tree and you get 2 for free. You want?
I don't know. Smell it.
Yeah, I say. I don't need it, but I really like it.
I can't smell it.
This is the smell. That's a body cream, right? Same thing, right? This one.
I can't
This is
smell it.
different
I can't smell it.
to your COVID.
Ooh.
Do you really like this shower gel?
I can't smell it.
Let me see. This is the one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. But it's different. This one is different. This one is the one I like. Look. Oh my god, they smell so sexy. Lalzawa would like it. Oh, Lalzawa. My husband will
Then
love.
get it.
Uh-huh.
Get it.
Oh no, I don't want him to be horny. I'm just saying. Make your John horny here, dick. Here.
I don't know if I can do any
John?
more than he already is.
Oh my god, did you just say stop? You're crazy. Where's mom? You're killing me, ass. They say that if you take 3 and then the
I've got
other 2
3.
is free.
I got 3.
So give me the free one.
No.
Oh my god, I'm stupid. I'm teasing you. I don't really need it. I still have Victoria's Secret. Otherwise, I would have taken some and maybe we contribute the price. Is it a perfume? Oh, wait, let me
Yeah, it's
see.
perfume, but I couldn't smell
the-
it. That's the try one.
No, this is not the same with this one. This is the same one.
These are the 3 I got.
Mom,
I like
this
that one.
smells so good.
Other ones.
What's that? Oh,
We
this
still
one.
have sweet pea.
I like all those.
I just didn't get the bean one. I like
I
that.
like it. They have cream. They have this one.
Nice.
Ashley taking, so I'm not taking. I don't want to smell like
Wishes?
Ashley.
I took wishes.
I'm teasing you.
I'm not taking this one. that you
Take this
liked.
one. It smells so good. Take
I
it.
can't smell it.
Oh my god, you COVID or what?
I did. She just. put it
That's
on
a
herself.
cream,
I
yeah.
like it.
Give you some money there. I'll take cake alanga. Join this one. Show me what you got.
You want the glitter spray?
Why? Is it same smell, right?
Yeah, but you're gonna spark.
You don't like me to
I can't
sparkle?
say. Do you want to sparkle?
I want sparkle. Okay. Why they have different one, not sparkle but same smell?
Yeah.
Which one?
Yeah.
Oh my god, why am I so stupid? But they don't look like they have the same smell.
Yeah, it's this one right
Do
here.
they smell the same?
Yeah. This one just has the shimmer in it, so it has glitter in it.
So I can
And we're not
glitter.
12.
No.
We're not 12.
Oh my god. Lord, please help this ass.
Don't talk about my ass.
I'm saying you ass.
If you like Into the Night, smell this one too.
What do you think?
I like that one.
Oh my god, you're gonna be so sexy. Kurang chiti mo. 이 fragrance ang chika niya cute to. Hindi na. Ang tanso ka. This one is okay.
I think cactus blossom is good.
Which one do you prefer? How much is it?
Why did you go back? Oh, that's so cute. my god. What do you want?
I get 2 more things for the free.
Shower gel? I don't. Oh, you're taking like chi.
Yeah. Because it was free.
So
I'm gonna give you a bigger bag.
yeah.
It's gonna be at $94.61.
Oh my god, you're kidding me. Freeze. What is free stuff here? Don't forget. What is free here?
The cello bags. If you're making a gift for someone.
Ah, I see.
Her gift.
Don't get that special.
Can I get a phone number for you?
Oh, 217-246-0288.
And I'll let you have those back.
Is it
Oh, there's like ribbon if you want to give someone. It's free. I don't even want to buy for myself. How I'll give them something.
You saved $53.
Hey, 50% off and they're gonna. Is it the dresses?
Wait,
What?
for you.
Wow, that's cute. But after 50, still what? Oh, it's a $60 and then now 30. 30. How much, ma'am? Oh, I rather.
I don't want it. But
I don't want any. That's
all right,
why.
I'm ready.
I rather go to that thing and then buy 20 piece for 30. Right, mom? Hey, I saw deer. Look. Door kan tleng chia. Kan kaltukon ni shopping. That's the best part. Woohoo! Okay. Our mother.
Oh, they wanted to.
Okay, okay. I'm going to wear exactly what I want. Don't have time. What's that? Wow.
How about this?
Oh, I like those too.
Ashley. Ashley. Ashley, look at me. Look at me fast. Yeah, they're not. And plus, I have a lot of shoe. I don't need. Mom, I think we just need to go our own. Otherwise, we don't have time. They're closing. Mom? I don't know. We can hold to cardo na mo. Ka-vlog lo. May ang kayo huli. But doon niya, oh, let's just say bye because I don't have time to vlog. I want to see something. Bye-bye. Kamam mo, eh,
I'm not.
Kan ho kun to tu na hianin hey mamin drive le kan ho le dona we are going home kan shopping da karon tilang lau chon chu kan man mall to shop kan ang car to don box just half an hour left, right? So we don't really have time much, so I don't even have time to video up there for you guys, and I'm sorry, but I promise next time I will spend all day in that store and then we will have video.
Okay.
But still, we buy some dress. I can do maybe review
A review.
a review of my new clothing. Maybe
A review. What
maybe
a
on Monday. I don't know. You guys can see review.
Review.
In lau I kan enanga I kan hu don chau nia tho chan bela okay ma kom huna shem mau kan ni ka shem ro. So invite bye too.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you next time. This is the beautiful Ashley with the blue and pink hair. And mom is a blonde American. I am what? I am blonde and black.
Yeah,
Blonde and black.
Brunette.
Yeah, brunette. They call brunette.
Yep.
You're frosted.
I want to be blonde, but to be honest, my new hair is really black again, so I can't be blonde. Bye. Start now. Hey, kan ho chi ang lau lili ko. Lily pot so wala mak mi ka kan ho chi we just came back from our shopping and everything. Ka chao to I'm very tired. chuan hi steak kan ei do na chuan baked potato ne oh chuan hmeltha bowl
It's the only reason why. It's because it's so dang hot.
Lillian, this one's for you.
Who's that? Can I cheese?
go get fork baby
Spike.
go get fork
Mom.
Yes, I'm getting everybody forks, babe.
which one is Ellie
Yeah, this Ellie.
Ellie come your food ready don't want potato
Can I eat it? Okay. More potatoes for me. My toe hurts. Do you know why my toe hurts? Yeah. Oh, thank you, Mommy.
I hope I didn't overcook your steak.
Ooh, corn.
I know you don't like it rare.
Ooh, steak. Ooh, corn.
He likes to things like that.
you have to get closer to me otherwise you cannot cover yourself in video
Can I have a fork?
I want mine.
she's
to
bringing
say-
your mom is bringing
Be patient.
she
Patience
don't
is a
want
virtue.
potato so she give Lily Evie
No. You like potato.
Daddy, can you talk?
Yes.
I would speak all the way together.
You do like potato, especially when mommy goes like this and chops it up.
For him.
And then I put some cheese on it. Stop.
Oh, can I please have cheese?
Thank you for using good manners.
Oh. Oh, look what?
Yeah, because it's hot. Give it a minute. Give it a minute. Well,
I'm trying to switch my chair. Get away, get away.
oops, sorry, babe.
Thank you. Don't be nice to me.
don't eat my hot sauce huh
No. Mommy, I don't like that.
Don't know about your
Can I have that?
I don't think I want to try
I'll bring it right back.
I don't know what it tastes like.
yeah
Whose plate is that?
Guys,
Eli, come eat.
you're trying to put a prank on
thank
us.
you
How was your
Nana
salsa?
No,
very good. Try
prank
some,
on
Mom.
the boys. Guys, here is passport. It's gonna be the boys' passport.
say thank you Nana for
It's
cooking
Cowabunga boys.
say thank you
Thank you, Nana.
Nana thank you
Thank you, Nanny.
Nanini
Nanny.
Uh-oh.
I think it's my
Thanks,
chili
A1.
I put chili flakes so
Where's the A1?
In the kitchen. Hotly in the kitchen.
Okay, Mom, can you bring my drink in here?
Yes.
There's drum ko pa.
Oh, got on my
Blue
steak.
cheese.
No, I just put chili, that's all. It was sweet if I put the
Eli, Ezekiel, please come eat.
It's hot.
That was scary.
That curtain's too dark to see through. Nope, careful.
Back.
No one is allowed to bring your drinks here anymore, okay? Because yesterday everyone's
Okay, which
Give
one
me
is
spoon.
my food?
that's your food. You're the only left.
Oh, this is my food.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you smashed it. Mom cut it. I didn't chew with my mouth.
Ow.
So I'm sorry. I didn't chew with my mouth closed when I was talking, so I'm sorry.
It's okay.
It's
We need to behave because we're making video, okay, everyone? I'm gonna cut that part, but we need to behave.
This is good.
Say, oh my God, so good.
I think you're all right. I think I'll bring you drinks.
Oh, you bring their drinks? Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Eric, sweetheart, told me to tell you hi.
Why, there's no lid?
That's
Okay, I
mine.
trust you.
No, there
Lily.
was
So
there was
Just
missing
yesterday,
one.
if you
Oh,
spilled-
hi.
Yeah, but Lily shouldn't.
Yeah.
Okay. It's hot. It's hot. Eli was like, what flavor is this? Is it cotton candy? Oh, hot. Oh!
Buffet chắc lắm về. Áo xẻo mà nhiều hơn.
Mom, can I more?
What flavor is this? Mom, what flavor is this?
What?
What flavor is this?
It's this one.
What is it? Blue and red popsicle? That should be yummy. It is. Guys, we're drinking blue and red popsicle. Really? What need? That's the flavored water.
Yay!
Then why you don't taste like
And more cream and more cheese.
Well, it does. Eli, do you taste the dreamsicle? Yeah. It's the blue, white, and red dreamsicle. Yeah. It's good. Oh, Mom, can I have some more too, please? Can I
Thank you
ketchup?
for your manners.
You're welcome. Can I be a ketchup? Thank you.
Yes, you can. Ketchup for what?
Steak. Some people eat ketchup with steak.
I eat ketchup with steak all the time.
Yeah.
Why do you want me in the car? Because you always...
Rotation. Next time, Eli.
I can't sit. What? Oh, don't watch it.
If you don't touch the camera, okay?
Whoa, that's fish back there. Trying to get the corn. You know what? I got the corn on a fork. I didn't realize we have a fork. I got a corn on a cob on a fork. Me too.
At tuylotok.
Hot.
Tuytok.
Come here, Eliana. Come here, Eli.
Cái trong thì đó làว่าcái ấy một bốc sen anh nhìn thấy trong bên đó trong sụp. Yesterday Evie did a lot of tuylotok in the video.
My corn fell.
See?
Pick
Pick it up, but don't eat again. Just leave it. We just talk about that.
It didn't spill.
Yes, it did.
It's okay. Leave it. It's a mistake, but be careful.
I spilled it. The dreamsicle flavored water is good. I know, Mom.
Almost tripped. I still holded on to it.
Hmm?
It was like, bloop, and I was holding on to it.
I got Evie White's ice cream. Yes, that's gone.
Thank you for the butter.
Did you get the dreamsicle flavored water as well?
She maybe got water, I think.
I think it's flavored water because it's bubbling a lot like ours. Auntie Pui, did you get the dreamsicle flavored water as well?
No, mine is
No.
pineapple.
No. Pineapple. I wonder what pineapple tastes like.
Cái rượu trăm tôi có trong thèm.
Eli, we're not allowed to be in the
Cái
kitchen. It's
chảo
too
cái
hot.
dạo nữa sao? But what are you doing in the kitchen? Oh my god. What?
Eli, we're not allowed to be in the kitchen.
Your mom gave them permission to go get ketchup.
But why did you don't get? Well, let me see. Let me help you.
Pull off in there before you guys get sick.
Is there any knives? I didn't got sick.
All right.
Okay, come and sit. You're gonna leave.
Can I have a knife? Please? Stop kicking me, Eve.
Why your meat is not cutting and everyone is cutting?
Ow.
Whoa.
Stop, Eve. Stop kicking your
Let me
feet under the table.
I think she's allowed to kick her
kicked me
feet
in
under
the
the table, but
stomach.
she's not allowed to kick you.
Hmm?
What?
Like,
He's allowed to
no,
eat.
all of you got cut, but Ellie is not cutting any of her steak.
I don't know. Mine's just
So do you
different.
eat like without cutting, or how do you eat?
Well, Mom usually cuts it. Yeah. Well, mine somehow
Maybe
it just
she
won't
forgot.
cut. Maybe. Or it's because Ellie knows how to cut her own steak, but I don't. Sometimes I do it, but I'm bad
Okay,
at it.
I know.
Let's say bye. I'm done. I'm so full.
Bye.
Bye bye. Kapuha to ka.